I'm gonna show you how to program this garage door opener. It's a wireless keypad. It's universal. I got this one off of Amazon. If you want to purchase one, just look in the description below. But it's pretty easy to program. I'm gonna show you what comes in the box. It comes with this remote here, and the battery is already installed. Only thing I don't like about this, it doesn't have that enter button, but the battery is already installed. So I'm gonna walk you through on how to set it up. It comes with the instructions and also a couple of screws to mount it on your wall. But like I said, I'm gonna walk you through the instructions. It's pretty simple to do. But like mine is a Chamberlain. It's a 2005, so I have that purple button. This is how you program it. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to program this universal garage door opener keyless entry. First, you want to hit the star and the pound and hold it until the light stops blinking. So you hit it together, and once the light stops blinking, you enter your code. I'm gonna try 1, 2, 3, 4, and hit the pound. Before the light go off, I'm gonna hit that 3. That's my ID code. Hit pound. Okay, now what you want to do is go to your garage door opener, and you go up here and find your learn button. And I'm gonna turn the light off so you can see the learn button. And mine is a purple one. That's why I enter my ID code 3. So what you want to do is hit this button, and the light is gonna come on. It's gonna stay on for 30 seconds, so you got 30 seconds to finish the program. So I'm gonna hit that learn button. And what you wanna do is come here and enter your code. My code was 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna zoom in there so you can see it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and hit the 0. And you probably heard the light and it blinked up here. So it's now programmed. So when this go off, and what I don't like about this is, like, if you getting ready to close the garage door opener, you have to enter the code, which my code is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then hit the 0. You can see it's going down. So in order to open or close the garage, you have to hit your ID code. Like, I can't just, I'm gonna raise it up, which is my 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm gonna hit 0. You can't hit enter or pound, you have to hit 0. So say for instance you're outside and you're leaving the house and you're getting ready to go. I'm gonna wait till the lights go out. You can't just hit enter any key. You know, other garage door openers have an enter key, which I'm gonna show you right here. I can just hit the enter key and close it. But on this one, you have to actually enter your code to close it. Like, if I hit any other key, it won't close the garage. So what I'm gonna have to do, wait till it stops blinking, have to enter the code, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have to hit 0. You can't hit pound or anything else, it won't work, or any other number, it won't work. So you have to hit your code, which mine is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then hit 0. So I'm gonna hit 1, 2, 3, 4, hit 0. All right, that's how it works. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching welding and stuff.